back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I'm going to revive and transform my natural hair from being dry, dull, brittle, dirty, all of the above into just a masterpiece. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, welcome into my bathroom. This is where the magic is going to happen today. As I mentioned earlier, in today's video, we are going to fix my hair. No, don't judge me. I said it before, my hair is dry, it is dull, it needs reviving, and that is what we're going to do today. All right, so now I'm going to remove the helmet of salvation and take this hair tie out. And this, my friends, this is the condition of my hair. It's not great right now, I will say. It definitely kind of dry. I do need to cut my ends and all that, but that is for another day. But yeah, I am going to show you the secret to what I use to transform my hair. Okay, so the secret that I use to revive my hair anytime it's in this situation is this bad boy right here, the Aztec clay mask. This right here saves lives. Okay, this Doctor Who? No, this saves lives. It has never failed me anytime my hair is in dire need of just like a revelation and just to back to life. So I am going to do an Aztec clay mask. I'm going to show you guys how I mix it. Oh, and I'm going to put the benefits of Aztec clay mask on the screen right here. It's good for a lot of things, even good for your skin. I used it on my face too, which I may do today just because. But I'm going to show you guys how I mix it. I'm going to walk you through the process of how I use it. And yeah, we are going to get started. Okay, first things first, before I do all of that, oh Jesus. As I was saying, wait it back. Before I do that, I'm actually going to shampoo my scalp. And when doing an Aztec clay mask, you don't have to shampoo your scalp because this is really good for cleaning your scalp. Not just your hair, but your scalp, because it really just strips all the impurities and toxins out of your hair and your scalp. But because my scalp is so dry, I like to go in with just like an extra shield, just because. So the shampoo I'm going to use today is from Miel. Can you guys see it? Okay, it's called Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo. That's what I'm going to use today. But before I even start shampooing my hair, I'm going to detangle it. I'm going to detangle it. And then I'm going to go in, shampoo the hair. And then after that, we're going to get into the mask. So stay tuned. Okay guys, now that I have everything on my hair sectioned off and detangled, and I'm looking at breathability goat.
Shut your stupid ass up.
That wasn't funny. Okay, it is time for me to hop into the shower and shampoo my hair. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is freshly shampooed. We're going to hop straight into the mask. Oh, before I do that, I do want to mention that my hair is still damp and I want to keep it that way because once we apply this mask, you're going to want to do it on damp hair. Trust me. Anyways, so as I said, we're using the Aztec clay mask today, and I'm going to mix it with apple cider vinegar. Now, I know that you can do this with water as well. However, I've heard that apple cider vinegar gives the best results. Now, I've never tried it with water, so if anybody has tried it with water, comment down below and let me know if the results, like what the results are, because I've never done that. I've always used apple cider vinegar, and it's always worked for me. So that's what I know, that's what I'm used to, and I'm gonna stick to it. Harriet! All right, now let's get into it. So, oh, before I forget, you're going to want to use a plastic bowl and like a plastic utensil to mix the concoction. So first I'm going to open up my clay mask. Now, I just do what the spirit tells me to. So I just pour it in there. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my god! Even though they broke. Oh my god!
That was not supposed to happen. But anyways, the show continues. So I just pour it in there until I feel like I need to stop. So right now I have this much. Can you guys see? This much in the container. And as for the apple cider vinegar, I'm going to pour until I get a certain consistency. I don't want it too watery, but also I don't want it lumpy. I want it like right in the middle, like pancake batter, if that's a good comparison. I'm gonna hold it down over this thing because this cannot go in my eyes. I'm gonna die.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is the consistency that you want your concoction to be in. Once it gets to this pancake batter looking consistency, you're ready to go. All right. So now I'm going to section off my hair again, because with this concoction, you don't want to work in sections. It is much easier to do. So I'm going to section off my hair. Okay, and I'm going to start with this back section right here. And now even this is too big of a section for me, so I'm going to split this using this rubber band, since I have it, into another section so that I can work in smaller pieces to get everything saturated. So now remember I said earlier that you want to make sure that your hair is damp to do this. My hair is still damp, but I need it to be more so that the concoction so that the mask is easier to go in my hair and like comb through my hair and stuff. So now that my hair, this section is drenched, I'm going to go ahead and apply the mask. I'm gonna use my fingers, dip in, and I am just going to apply. I'm going to apply at the root and work my way down. You can apply it any way you want to. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna just keep applying. You just want to ensure that you're coating every strand of hair on your head. And you also want to get your scalp. The scalp is very, very important in this process. And the more you apply it, you're going to see too that your curls just start to pop. And you're going to feel your hair getting drier as well. So what I did not mention earlier about this mask is that after you do it, you are definitely going to have to deep condition your hair, like serious deep condition, because the mask strips your hair. So it's stripping everything out of your hair, all the toxins as well as the moisture. So you are definitely going to want to do that. So yeah, so do you see how like I have it all over the section and into my scalp? I separate it and go into my scalp as well. Yeah, that's the first section, and I'm basically going to repeat this over my whole head. So keep watching, guys, and yeah, see how I apply this mask. Hey guys, what I also should mention while doing this mask is that you're going to want to put a towel around your neck like you see what I have now, because it's going to get messy. And you're also going to want to wear a shirt that you don't really care too much about, or that you don't mind getting dirty. So yeah. Also, you will probably run out of mask, of the Aztec clay mask, the mixture that you have. So always remember that during this process, you're probably going to need to add more clay and add more apple cider vinegar to make more of the mask so that it covers your entire head. So make sure you have enough of the Aztec clay mask, and make sure you have enough apple cider vinegar. I will link below where I got my Aztec clay mask from. And as for the apple cider vinegar, you can find that at any supermarket. I got mine at Kroger. you see me just pulling the hair back into, I guess, two little pigtails so that I can fit them under a shower cap. You're gonna want to put it under a shower cap, or if you don't have a shower cap, you can just use a plastic bag and let it sit for at least half an hour, I recommend, but I'm probably gonna let mine sit for about 40 or 45 minutes. So hey guys, I'm back. It is about 45 minutes later, and now I'm going to remove the shower cap, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash this mask out, and then we're gonna see the final results. And I'm just excited because I know it's about to be okay. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash this out, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys the final result. I'm excited. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. So clearly I got a bit too excited. I had to come out and take some pictures to show you guys the definition, like straight out of the shower as soon as the mask is out, and you can't tell me this isn't hitting. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I washed the mask out of my hair. It is so much more defined. It is softer. Oh my god, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. So now I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair and deep condition it, because as I mentioned before, the mask really strips your hair, everything. So my hair is in dire need of moisture right now. So I'm going to use the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask. I love this mask. It really does it for my hair when it comes to added moisture. So I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections and put the mask in. That I have finished putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair, the deep conditioner in my hair, I just twist my hair up, and then I put a plastic bag over it because I don't have any more shower caps, and I'm going to leave this in for maybe the rest of the day, and then I am going to style my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching me revive my hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for the next video, because the next video I'm going to show you how I styled my hair, and that will be pretty cool, even though I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we're going to see. So thank you guys again. Thank you for being here with me. Don't forget, as I said before, to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Big,